Today, I'll show you how to set email reminders for Google Calendar events. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to make sure important meetings, deadlines, and appointments land in your inbox at just the right time so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that holds the calendar where your event is saved. If you use multiple Google accounts, it's worth quickly checking the profile icon in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one before you move on. Once your calendar loads, find the event you want to add an email reminder to. You can look through the month, week, or day view, whichever you prefer. When you see the event, click directly on it. This will open a small pop-up with the event's basic details like the title, date, and time. In that pop-up, look for the pencil icon. This is the edit button. Click the pencil icon to open the full event editing page. Here you'll see more detailed options, including guests, location, description, and notification settings. This is where we'll set up the email reminder. Scroll until you find the notification section. It may already show a default notification, often a pop-up or browser notification before the event starts. To add a new one, click on the option that says Add Notification. This will create a new row where you can customize how and when you're reminded. By default, this new reminder is usually set as a regular notification. Click on the drop-down that says Notification and change it to Email. This tells Google Calendar that instead of just showing you a pop-up, it should send an email directly to your inbox. Next, decide how far in advance you want that email reminder. Click on the box that lets you choose the time frame and change it to days if it isn't already set. Then enter the number of days before the event that you want to receive the email. For example, you might choose 1 day before for a meeting or several days ahead for an important deadline. After that, set the specific time you want the reminder email to be sent. This is especially useful if you prefer to review your upcoming events at a certain time of day, like first thing in the morning. Adjust the time so the reminder lands in your inbox when you're most likely to see it and act on it. When you're happy with your email reminder settings, scroll to the top or bottom of the event page and click Save. This step is essential. If you forget to save, your new email reminder won't be applied. Once saved, your event is now set to send you an email at the time you chose, helping you stay organized and prepared.